сука, мразь нахуй. Що там мразь? Опа.
Диви, покрути,
Опа, опа.
он пойдет. Падает. На саге, ебать.
На саги падає вверх.
Ёбаный в рот.
Бля.
Russian helicopter Mi-24 was shot down in the Armenian airspace outside the combat zone, Russian Defense Ministry spokesman Major General Igor Konashenkov said on Monday. Earlier, the Russian Defense Ministry said that a Mi-24 helicopter crashed in Armenia near the village of Yeraskh after being fired at from the ground from a manned portable air defense system, MANPADS. As a result of the helicopter crash, 2 crew members were killed, 1 was evacuated with moderate injuries. Russian helicopter Mi-24 was shot down in the airspace over the territory of the Republic of Armenia outside the combat zone, Konashenkov said.